Hi, it's Brian Newman with the Spotlight of Business Owner Show, and today we're thrilled to have Cathy Perez with KonMari Organizing Consultant. Yeah, hi, how are you?
I am well. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure, Brian.
Yeah, I'm excited to have you on and to learn about this organization skill that you have. But before we get into it, can you tell us a little bit about your background and then how you got into the business?
Absolutely. So I am an organizing freak, always have been. But so I am organized by nature. But I also have dealt with anxiety all my life. So I was diagnosed with anxiety disorder. And I didn't know that until 2001. But when I went through this, when I found out about this method of organizing, I was suggested the book, tidy the magic of tidying up with Marie Kondo. The magic of tidying up with. And so it was awesome because once I started reading that book, I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to just totally change my life. And so I read the book. I had my own tidying festival, as we call it, and my anxiety like dropped. There were other things that I did, but
Oh,
I could
wow.
tell the process itself took my
Uh-huh.
anxieties maybe from here, and just by the time I was done with it, my baseline anxiety was like next to nothing. And so it was
Oh,
such a
wow.
remarkable thing. And I got so excited. And then I threw myself into learning all about it, found out that I could then become an ambassador and actually show other people how to utilize this method, which is the KonMari method of organizing.
Oh, okay. Okay, very cool. Yeah, no, so why is being organized so important for women with anxiety?
Absolutely. So I have a Facebook group, and in that group, it's all about supporting women with anxiety. Whether you happen to know that you have anxiety through a diagnosis, or you just know it, or maybe you support someone who also deals with anxiety. But in my case, what I realized right away when I was running through my own tidying festival is that the method behind it is not just putting things in place and having things look nice and neat. It was about changing what I thought about what I had around me. And so everything just came about. And so there's this lightness that takes place when you utilize this method. And that lightness basically means joy. And when you have joy, there's no space for anxiety to live because you have gratefulness, and gratitude outweighs guilt every single day. And so that's
Oh,
why it was such a big deal. And unlike, I mean, there's multitudes of organizing methods and they're all wonderful. I happen to love feng shui, and so I practice that as well.
uh-huh.
But on the level of a mental capacity on actual behavioral change, this method has resonated so well with everyone around the world simply because Marie Kondo, who is the originator of the method, she took organizing, which is a mundane task, and she raised it to the level of mental clarity. She raised the level of organizing. And so now it's not about just putting things in place, but it's actually about dealing with your mental state and how everything affects you. That's why it's so
Oh,
awesome.
okay. Yeah, I know it's becoming very popular, you know, and can you elaborate like what's involved with this KonMari method of organizing?
Absolutely. So it's what we would call simple, but just because something's simple doesn't always mean it's easy, right?
Yeah.
So there are actually components to this. And so the method basically has four components. So you want to organize the category, not location. Then you're going to perform a joy check, the famous joy check that Marie Kondo has in the method. And that's with all of the items in each of those categories. And then the third step is to give everything homes. So literally all your possessions have homes, i.e. everything gets a place. And then
Oh, okay.
finally the fourth, which is awesome, it's the after effect, but we call the KonMari effect. And basically it's about living your life with intention. And what that does, it basically means that no more will you be impulsive. No more will you just live without focus. You're going to have focus now. You're going to be intentional, and everything that's around you, surrounding you, is supporting you. And so it's remarkable what happens when you use this method, and then it starts to basically ripple effect into the rest of your life.
Oh, wow. I know myself, like when I get organized, and I have a clean desk, I actually can think clearer. You know what I mean? And I don't have to scramble every time I'm looking for something, which flusters me, you know. But
Absolutely.
yeah, again, I want to remind everybody that, yeah, we're talking to Cathy Perez. What's the best way that they can reach you or sign up?
Sure. So on Facebook is the best place to reach me. And I'm very active in the group. It's a support group. It's free on Facebook, and it is Empowering Women Healthy Habits for Less Anxiety. And I believe you'll have the show notes and everything that have the information. But the group is there, and I offer all types of resources as well as myself. And it's a really fun place to just understand that you don't have to be alone when you have anxiety, but also you just want to live a healthier and happier life.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, so how long does it take to complete this type of organizing?
So that's an interesting question, and it varies. But here in the US, where we're at right now, so on average, and this is an average, when someone takes on a tidying festival, and it just depends, right? This is an average, it can take up to maybe between 3 and 6 months.
Oh, wow.
But it just depends on the individual and what they have around them, right? So, it could take someone who lives in a studio apartment maybe a weekend, but it could take
Uh-huh.
someone who has literally lived in their house over 50 years, right? That can be quite trying. So that would take a lot more time. So it's just really dependent on who lives with you and what you have in your space. But on average, it can take up to 6 months in the US.
Oh, okay. So is this something that you actually go out in person and help them get organized, or do you do this over the internet via Zoom?
Um, that is correct. So basically, I used to when I was starting out, but soon found that I could not help enough people that way. And so now I actually coach others, specifically women, how to utilize the method within my own program. So definitely can still help people, but it's mostly, again, I mostly deal pretty much just with women, and then take it from there. But yeah, anyone can use the method. There's the books. There's, obviously you can get in contact with me, but I happen to work with women specifically.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so during the pandemic, I don't know, how long have you been doing this?
So it's been about, I'm going to say 3 years now.
Oh,
So
wow.
3 years. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So basically, like I said, what I found was that it's not necessary for me to be in front of people. It's a wonderful way to connect, but more
Uh-huh.
importantly is the accountability that someone wants and the knowledge transfer. And so it's important. They just want to be guided, and they want to have that cheerleader, with them. And so people can do this on their own. They just maybe need the guidance, i.e., that's where I come in. And so I'm just that extra oomph, and to obviously bounce off questions when they have them, for sure.
Oh, okay. So who can become a KonMari organizing consultant?
Absolutely. So there is a quite the process, but basically you would apply, and then what happens is you go through an actual seminar. It used to be live, obviously now it's virtual. But from that, then you go ahead and acquire consulting hours, i.e., you actually practice with others, and then you get to take an exam.
Oh,
So
wow.
it's quite the process. And yeah, so you go through the seminar, you accumulate clients, you then take an exam, and then you are accredited as a consultant. And right now, there's just about 600 of us in the world, like literally in
Wow.
the world. But obviously, that number grows as more people get certified. But yes,
Uh-huh.
Marie Kondo, her whole mission in life is to organize the world. And that's how she's going to do it, through people like me.
Oh, okay, okay. No, so yeah, that's interesting. So so you don't go to people's homes at all? Because I was going to ask, like, with this pandemic, how has this affected your business?
It hasn't.
Oh,
Before the
really?
pandemic, right?
Oh,
Before the pandemic, I was already coaching online. So definitely, like I said in the beginning, I did travel to people's homes, and there's
uh-huh,
nothing wrong with that. It's totally awesome. But I also found that even that was a little trying, not necessarily for them, but for me. I could only do so much in so many hours. But this way, how I coach is now that I can impart on them as much information as they need whenever they need it. Obviously with certain boundaries, but it's a
Uh-huh.
lot more, I think, personable, believe it or not, but it also just allows me to help a lot more people.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Kathy, yeah, I'm just curious, like, is this only applicable to someone's house? Or what about like their office or a storage unit?
It is applicable everywhere. The KonMari method, it's interesting that you would say it in that such way. Our vision as ambassadors of this, method is to make sure that people follow through with every single category that's part of the method. But you will find people who maybe only want your help for a certain category. With that said, you could still apply the methodology of the method.
Uh-huh.
That sounds funny. The principles of the method and into certain parts, right? Let's say you want to, go into your storage unit. Let's say you want to, you know, whatever the case, wherever you're thinking about your office, the same concepts apply. And so this KonMari concept pretty much can apply anywhere. The principles are all the same for sure.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, so again, I want to remind the viewers, yeah, we're talking to Cathy Perez with KonMari method of organizing. Um, am I saying that right? KonMari?
KonMari, yep, it's a play on Marie Kondo's name. So in Japan, because she is Japanese,
Oh,
Marie is her first name, Kondo is her last name. So usually in Japan, they use the surname first, right? So it's a play on her name, KonMari. So Kondo, Maria, Kondo, KonMari.
oh, okay. So when people sign up with you, I mean, is it a one-time fix and you teach them, like, or is it like, like periodic, or quarterly or semi-annually?
So that's an excellent question. And ultimately, the idea is that once you tidy, you have a tidying festival, as they call it. And I have it a little bit different because I actually have a 12-week program that helps you
Oh,
through this. But with that said, it's interesting that you would, ask that, but it takes as long as it takes, right?
uh-huh.
And so basically, wait, let me repeat the question just one more time so I make sure I'm
Oh, yeah.
answering correctly.
Well, when people sign up, yeah, is it like a one-time training and then they're done? Or do you do it like for a week at a time, a quarter, or semi-annually? You know what I mean?
Right.
Because I must admit, like when I get organized or after I clean my desk, for example, um, within a week, it's a mess again. You know what I mean? And then I got to go through this again, and I could probably use another dose of training, so I didn't know if like once you're done, like do people sign up, for a month at a time and then you teach them, like every week or just one time, or how does that work?
Right. And I thank you for repeating the question. I wanted to make
Oh, yeah.
sure that I answered correctly. So there's two answers to that. The first answer, which people don't like to hear, is that once you get through your tidying festival, you're never going to do it again. The idea is
Oh,
that now you have KonMari your life. And so you will never go back or regress, as we call it, to a prior chaotic state of disorganization.
okay.
Now, with that said, the second part is that sure, sometimes people are going to have days where things are just chaotic, right? And so you're going to maybe find that in a week's time, oh my gosh, I just went through my tiny festival and now my desk looks like an insanity. However, you will then remember what you went through and you're like, but wait a minute, I didn't get everything back there. I didn't take everything back to their homes. Let me do that. And so it takes a moment, but then you remember, wait a minute, I know where this goes. I'm going to put it away. And it's because your brain has been trained to really, really love the state of simplicity that it has around it because of the tidying festival. So that's why I
Oh.
wanted to repeat the question. I'm like, okay, well, yes and no. So once you've gone through this method, you now are your best organizing consultant, to be honest, right?
Oh, okay.
You know how to utilize or use these tools that now will let you live basically in a lot less chaos, no matter what. You
Oh,
will have this method almost as a lifestyle.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, that's phenomenal. So, just before we leave, yeah, I want to remind everyone again, we're talking to Cathy Perez with KonMari Organizing Consultant. And how can they reach out to you or sign up for your consultation?
Sure. So like I said before, the easiest way to just connect with me is through my Facebook group, Empowering Women, Healthy Habits for Less Anxiety. And then from there, you can also connect with me on Facebook. That's where I'm mostly at when it comes to social media. So that's the easiest way to find me.
Oh, okay. All right, Cathy. Yeah, it's been a pleasure. Yeah, nice meeting you. And again, I encourage everybody out there who's disorganized, get with Cathy. You know, I've been through that state several times, and it is very uncomfortable. And after you get organized, yeah, like you said, it simplifies your life, and you can think clearer. And
Yeah.
I don't know, it's a nice state of mind. So yeah, Cathy, thank you for being on.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Okay, all right.